We are sorry to interrupt our regular scheduling. It's been reported that Kwaito stars Eskimos have been involved in a car accident along the Mahalape Francistown Road. It is yet unclear as to how many have suffered injuries, but we'll be praying for them.
I never let you down, just trust me. Sometimes it's difficult, but trust in Jesus. Thank you, amen.
For years fit, Bamala Bamfana Nawi, Hela, Bane Bambela, Bambu, just take sa caravela. Kanka ki kautela ki boneba engelevela, Bantuela, Bantela, le fasilena la buheitan, Hesa.